T-Mobile 5G internet. Is it faster now that I got the new router, or is it the same as when I had the old tower, which was larger? Okay, so I found a video that I did on YouTube about the speed of when I initially installed this. Well, I did a speed test about 6 months ago, let's put it that way. And that was the old router. And you can see, like, it's blazing fast. Now, the problem with these speed tests depends on the time of day. And honestly, I don't remember the time of day that I did this test. From my voice, it sounds like it might have been at night. But, like, the upload speed was awesome at this point. For me, you know, it varies from place to place. So this was 6 months ago, so it was the old tower. This is the new tower, which is the smaller one. The old tower has already been sent back. So on my desktop, you can see these are the numbers I got from this test just now, and they don't compare to the old test at all. Well, the upload speeds are great. The download speeds aren't. So this is wired, okay? This is actually hardwired from the back of the router right here. You can see the cable comes out here. It's about a 10-foot cable, and it goes all the way back here. It snakes back and goes in the back of this desktop. So the upload speeds are great with the cable. Not so good for the download speeds. However, on this Mac, which is sitting right next to the router, the Wi-Fi, and it's on a Wi-Fi network, not a cable, the download speeds are significantly better. In fact, they're in the range of the download speeds I had of this test 6 months ago with the other one. So I would say it's in the same range. The upload speed was better on the old test than it is on the new test. But just to be fair, this Mac has never been as good, let's put it that way, on upload speeds as the PC or even my laptop. And this old laptop, right, which is like 8 years old now. It's a gaming laptop. The download speeds on this same network, terrible. The upload speeds are better than the Mac. So, yes, I guess the answer is, depending on your device, the new tower is slightly faster than, well, significantly faster here on the desktop than it was here. It's slower here, and it's faster here. So I guess the answer is a conservative yes, that the new tower is faster than the old tower. I hope that answers your question, viewer, and thanks for the questions. I love you guys. I try to answer every single comment that I get, except for the rude ones. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Smash like if this helped you and all. I really like my T-Mobile internet. I gotta say, like, it's been doing really well for me. So if you have questions about it, please. That inspires me to make more videos. Take care.